So this is the DevOps mock interview day 48. We already completed 47 mock interviews. So if you are newly watching this video on YouTube, so you can check out that 47 mock interviews. So how you are going to check it? I will show you. So go to YouTube, search for DevOps and space easy. Okay, DevOps space easy. So whenever you search, you will get the first channel. It's our channel. You will get the ads, ignore it. So this is the first our channel. Go to this channel. Okay, you can check the latest videos or of the mocks. Go through all videos. Everything is real time. Okay, it's not like institutes. All are real time scenario based interview questions. Okay, and if you see, right Ansible interview question and answers playlist, Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker, right Jenkins. Almost all tools are available. Okay, maintain some patience. If you see there are four videos, five videos, four videos, so these videos are more than enough to crack any interview. Okay, simply follow this and crack a job. And I just want one help from you. Please like this video. You will not get anything, but it will recommend to few more people. If you like the video, it will going to recommend to few more people, so it might help them as well. So nowadays market is very critical, so many people are struggling a lot to get a job, right? So for that, for them only I'm recording this. I no need to record, right? I'm waiting for some people to join this mock interview. Okay, I'm requesting them to attend the mock interviews. Okay, so yeah, some people will join, some people will ignore. I'm not telling it's their mistake, because we will be having some fear to attend any interview. So due to that reason, due to that fear, they might not interest to join the mock interviews. But still, I'm trying my best to get people to attend mock interviews. So that's it. Let's wait for people to join. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes. Then people will join for the mock interview. Then we will continue this mock. Yeah. So hi Rishabh. Thanks for joining. Can you please introduce yourself? Until then, remaining people will join. Don't tell any fake. Sorry, tell about fake itself. Don't reveal about your genuine information. Okay, you can introduce yourself. Am I audible, Rishabh?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, go ahead,
So,
Mohan.
my name is Sajid. Actually, I want to learn DevOps for learn job regarding.
Okay, okay. You
Yeah,
are from like which city, Mohammed?
yeah. I'm from Mumbai, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. Why you want to learn DevOps? Like, may I know your total
Um,
experience?
Sir, actually, I have done my graduation in 2013.
Okay. So
Okay.
after
After
that,
that, I didn't. Yes.
yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. After that, I did join my family business and didn't
Okay,
work anywhere.
okay. So
Okay.
you completed your graduation, right? Like what you
Yes,
have
yes.
done in graduation? Is it like degree or BTech? What you have done?
Degree BSc in computer science.
Okay, okay. Degree doesn't matter, only skill matters in the software industry. If
Yes.
you have a skill, definitely you can able to crack any job.
Yes, yes.
But for that, you need to have some dedication.
Yes.
Okay, and you need to practice. And I
Yes,
will
sir.
not recommend you to join my training if you don't have dedication and if you don't have any time and if you don't have in laptop. If you have a laptop to practice,
Yes, I have laptop also.
okay, okay. It will be 2 months, like nearly 75 days of training daily.
Yes.
Like in which
Yeah.
time you are comfortable daily in the morning?
In the morning, sir.
Okay, which time can you able to tell? Like this time I will be available like that, or you will be available
Uh,
anytime.
okay. In the morning, 7 to 8, approximately 7 to 8 a.m.
Okay, okay. After that you will not be available.
Yeah, I'm available, but in the morning time is good for me.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, regarding
If
timing we
you
can.
have any batch after that time, I will join. I
Okay,
don't
okay.
have any
Yeah,
problem.
right now the classes is going on at 7 to 8 itself.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, right now it's 7 to 8 itself, but it might change to 10 a.m. as well. So that's the reason I'm just
Okay.
asking. 10 to 11
Okay.
a.m. It might be
Okay, okay, sir.
there after 1 month, not right now. After 1 month, it might be changed the timing. So that's the reason I'm just asking you, is it comfortable or not? If not, if you join right, then after you will disappoint. So I don't want a disappointment. That's the reason I will
No, no,
reveal.
sir. I don't have any problem regarding timing.
Okay,
But I have query regarding my career gap.
okay. Actually, like let me tell me about myself, so you will get some clarity. Then after, I will take some examples of people who are already trained like you. Okay,
Oh,
so I will not reveal my real name. You know,
yes.
it is okay. Like just imagine my name is Joseph. Okay, I have total
Okay.
6+ years experience as a DevOps engineer.
Yes.
Right now, I'm working in one of the top MNC company, and I'm
Okay.
basically from Hyderabad. Okay,
Uh, okay.
I born in Andhra Pradesh, but I'm staying in Hyderabad, and my job location is in Hyderabad. I have total 6+ years as a DevOps engineer, and 2+ years in teaching, and from
Okay.
2 years I'm giving training on DevOps. So
Okay.
coming to you, like I can understand you passed in 2013, and as you don't know anything in DevOps, now you are looking for training, and you will take some training, and you will learn. Then after, and you need to attend the mock interviews as well, which I conduct simultaneously. Definitely, you can take
Hmm.
some experience from consultancies. You can keep that. You can easily crack a job in DevOps.
Okay.
If you practice, if you have dedication, then only it will be easy. If not, it will be very
Okay.
too much difficult.
Okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
if you see Aniseti is struggling for a job, Rishabh is struggling for a job, they are attending mock interviews.
Yeah.
Okay, if you have time, just check how they are performing. If you don't, like if you don't have time, right, you can leave the call. Okay, just mute yourself, getting some background noise, so that we can start the mock interview. Just observe like how they are performing. So it will be like real interview in DevOps.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then after I will ping you.
Yes.
I will ping you in WhatsApp. I will share you the course content, all these things. Okay, just go through
Okay.
it.
Uh,
Attend 2 to 3 classes
Definitely.
for free. Okay, then
Okay,
after
okay, sir.
decide.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yes, yes, definitely. Go ahead. You can ask.
Malay
Yes, Momin, you can ask. I'm audible.
can do, but what can I do my for my career gap? I have 10 years approximately career gap.
Okay, you can keep 5 years. Okay, you can keep 5 years. Remaining 5 years, you can tell that I've just upskilled. Okay, I will guide you. No need to worry. What you need to tell.
Okay.
How you can able to cover.
Okay. Okay.
I will tell you. Nothing will happen anyway. You will take the experience from some consultancies, right? No one will ask you. Okay, they will definitely ask you why you have this gap. So you can
Yes.
mention. So as I done my degree, so I don't have any knowledge on this IT, like IT. So I have just upskilled myself. I learned multiple technologies. Then after I got an opportunity in so and so company, and I working
Yeah.
in this company from past 5 years. So during my career beginning, okay,
Yes. Yes.
I just worked on my upskilling. Don't mention that you are doing some business and all. No company will take you if you mention you are doing business, because companies are doing business itself. So if you said that
Yes.
because of this business I lost, so now I'm looking for opportunity, no company will take. You need to mention I am just I'm just working on myself. Okay,
Okay.
so I learn new technologies. I
Okay.
have upskilled myself. Then after I got an opportunity in so and so company. So due to that, I have a gap in my career.
So, sir, then 5 years gap, they will ask me 5 years.
Of course,
Then,
yes, I have a 5 years gap due to some family medical conditions. I had a gap, and simultaneously, I have upskilled myself. Okay, no company will care about the gap. Okay, you need to tell them, you need to convince them confidently. That's it.
okay.
Simple thing, Momin. Like for suppose if you are running a business, as you said, you want to hire a candidate, okay,
Yeah.
in your shop. So
Yes. Yeah.
you will see his work or you will see his gap.
Yeah. Some work and
Obviously,
looking
if he
to
is doing
work.
perfectly work, definitely you will take them and you just want to do that like work. Okay, like for suppose, just take my example. I have a shop. Just imagine I don't have any
Yeah.
shop, but I'm telling. Okay, just imagine I have shop of t-shirt. So I used to sell t-shirts, latest
Yeah.
t-shirts. So I just want to hire one candidate, okay, one extra candidate so that he can help me in sales.
Okay.
So he came to me and he showcased his skills. Okay, I can able to sell this, sell like this, sell. Okay, I can able to convince the customers so that you will get more
Yeah.
leads and all. He has convinced me and happy. I will just take him. Okay, I will check. I will not see his background, why he has gap and
Yeah.
all. Right now, I want a candidate. That's it. I will hire him. So companies also will treat like this. If you have a skill, if you prove yourself in the interview,
Yes. Yeah.
they doesn't care about your gap. People will only fall in this trap. So I have a gap. I have a gap. How I need to, what I need to do? Nothing will happen. Upskill. Become expert in
Okay.
DevOps. You should
Okay.
be
Okay.
more expert in everything. So you need to
Okay.
dedicate a lot. So if you become expert, right, this gap will not do anything. Okay,
Okay. And
but you need
sir,
to
how much
work
time
hard.
I will get? How much time I will become a DevOps expert to getting a job?
It's totally depends upon you. I can but normally if I tell you the overall, right, it will take three to
Yeah.
four months 3 to 4 months
Beautiful.
max for anyone
Uh,
to up to expert in DevOps. If you practice at least 3 to 4 hours per day,
okay. Okay.
3 to 4 hours, just think over
Yeah.
it, then only decide. Daily three
Okay.
to
Okay.
four hours you need to practice because you are totally new to this DevOps. So daily you need to
Right.
do practice of 3 to 4 hours and simultaneously you need to attend mock interviews.
Okay.
Preparing
Okay.
DevOps is totally different, right? Marketing yourself is totally different.
Yes. Yes.
Now if you see
And
in market there are
yes.
multiple players are there, right? There is a Geo,
Yes.
there is a Airtel, there is a Vodafone. So previously there is a Telenor, Uninor, right,
Right.
HCell. These many are there, but now right now only three are ruling. What is the reason? Because of their marketing strategy. They know how
Right.
to convince the customers,
Right.
right? You need to play like that.
Okay. Sir. Uh,
Yes, Moment.
One thing, sir, which cloud you will provide me DevOps,
Majorly
AWS or
yeah,
Azure?
we will focus on AWS cloud because market,
AWS.
yeah, market ruler is AWS.
Okay, okay.
Okay, let me share my screen. Can you able to see my screen?
Right now, no. Yes,
Okay, AWS versus Azure versus Google Cloud market share. Okay, so AWS had the largest market share of cloud infrastructure services at 33% in quarter 1 2022. This is the 2022. Let me search for images. Okay, it will be easy. Okay, if you see AWS, then after Azure, then after GCP, Google Cloud. So AWS is the clear winner.
yes,
So
yes.
okay, let me show you the proof.
AWS is a market leader.
So Indian people will, like, you are looking for India or you are looking for US jobs, you will
No,
search in India itself, right?
no, so India.
Okay. So India's top website is Naukri.com. So let's ask Naukri itself what he is looking for. So I will search for DevOps engineer. Okay. I will just open Accenture. Okay, IBM, HCL. Okay, IBM. Yeah, this is a network automation engineer. Okay, this two is more than enough. Let it load. Okay, Nokia is also hiring for. Infosys also hiring. Wipro is also hiring. Because like I cannot directly tell, right? I need to show you a proof. Then only people will believe. Okay, which cloud is ruling in the market.
Yes, yes, right. I understand.
So if you see, there is a tag called as
Yes.
AWS, right? I will just control F, AWS. Okay, Accenture. If you see AWS or Azure, experience in
Uh,
cloud technologies like AWS or Azure. First, what he mentioned, AWS. Then after he
AWS.
mentioned Azure. So clear winner. If you want to crack a job in Accenture, definitely AWS will help you.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
I will just control F AWS. So focus on one cloud. Okay, that is more than enough to crack
Okay.
any job.
Uh,
So you like which application you will use? Like Ola or Rapido? Which one you use?
Ola, Ola.
Okay. So in the same way, companies also depending upon the requirement they will use. But Ola and Rapido both are same or not?
No, no, sir. Both are not same.
Service?
They have, sir, service are same. Services are
Yes.
same.
Yes. So both services are same, but UI only change.
Yes.
In the same way, AWS and Azure both are same.
Both are same, right?
Service is same.
Service is
Only
same.
UI interface will change. Companies change.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. If you can like you can able to use Ola application. So if I uninstall that Ola application and I will install Rapido in your mobile, can you able to use that?
Yes, yes, sir.
Of
I
course.
can.
Right. So in the same way,
Yeah.
if you know AWS cloud, right, you will
Right.
easily get Azure as well.
Okay, okay, sir.
Just learn AWS, you will easily learn Azure or Google Cloud. Even though if you
Okay.
don't know Azure, right, you will work on Azure Cloud as well. I have worked in Azure Cloud. You know, I am expert in
Yes.
AWS, but they
Yeah.
have deployed me into a project which is Azure. But I worked on Azure. Then after I realized,
Yeah.
okay, people have this confusion. Okay, AWS and Azure both are same because only services are same.
Service.
Only the UI part they are calling with different naming convention. That's it. Not more than that.
Okay.
Okay, this Nokia is totally different. Okay, Nokia has their own product and they are looking for VMware and OpenStack.
Okay.
Okay, and yeah, if you go with Nokia, right? Right now my client is Nokia itself. Okay, Infosys, right? If you see AWS,
Right.
AWS.
Yes, sir.
So Infosys is also looking for AWS. Now tell me which one you will learn.
Sir,
You can
to
see
getting
clearly
earlier
AWS
job,
is there.
AWS.
So market there is a demand for AWS. So I didn't see any Azure. So I've taken topmost. All are asking for AWS. So
Yes, sir.
obviously prepare for AWS. And if you see market share is also clear winner AWS. Then after Azure. I'm not telling Azure is bad. Show the like see the market. Who is ruling? Then depending upon that decide. I'm telling you right, even if you learn AWS, you will easily learn Azure as well. There is no issue on that. You will easily work on Azure as well.
Hmm. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So do you have anything?
No, no, sir. And sir, what is the charges of the training?
Yeah, actually I charge 25,000 okay for total DevOps. But right now the
Yes.
offer is going on, which you
Yeah.
will get Diwali offer. You can treat it as for
Yes.
20,000 for total DevOps.
Okay.
Okay, I know people will don't have any, like money, and I'm not money minded. Some people will join my training and they will pay in installments. Okay, they
Okay.
will pay 10,000 this month, remaining 10,000 next month. Like that they will pay. I will agree, I will accept it with it, because I know I struggled a lot to get a job during my career beginning. I too don't have money. I need to bargain with my family members or whatever it may be. I know the struggle. People will not have money. So for that, yeah, you can pay in installment as well. That is also available. And whatever you are invested, right, you will be satisfied and you will get a guidance. Okay, you can call me anytime. You can ping me on WhatsApp. Okay, you can attend. You need to attend mock interviews. I'm repeating again.
Okay.
If you don't attend mock interviews, I will not encourage you to enroll. It's okay. You don't enroll my DevOps course. I'm happy with it. If you don't have dedication, if you don't want to attend the mock interviews, then
No, no,
you
sir.
can
I
skip.
went to attend mock interviews also.
Not now, but once you learn tools, right? After that, like for
Yes.
suppose if you learn Ansible, right now the mock is on Ansible, so you can
Okay. Okay.
check how you have the skill and all, because marketing is totally different, learning the skill is totally different. So
Okay.
many
Okay.
people are there in the market, so many DevOps engineers are there. If you don't know how to
Okay.
market yourself, obviously you will fail. You can see the
Yes.
clear example, right? Aircell, there is no Aircell right now. He has closed
Yes.
his company. Uninor also closed his company. Now Idea and Vodafone both are merged
What?
together. They still struggling in the market, right? Because they don't
Yes.
have a skill, they don't know how to market their product, and they don't know how to manage the customers.
Yeah.
Even if you knew, right? Geo is new, right? But still
Yeah.
he is ruling the market. How? He has learned the skill. He know how to market themselves. So money, you can come and tell me that, hey, he is a billionaire, he has so much of money. Okay, if you ask, compare with DevOps, okay, there are multiple people are there, rich kids. They are also struggling for get a jobs in DevOps. They also have a money. So money doesn't plays a role in any field. Okay,
Right.
talent beats anything. So if Geo is not providing a good service, so obviously you will change to other. So you will not see that, oh, he is a Ambani, he has so much of money, I need to use his SIM. No, right? If there is a benefit, then
Right.
only you are going to use that. Okay, do you have anything,
Okay.
Movin?
Okay, sir. No, no, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you can mute
I will
yourself.
ping you.
Okay, you can mute
Yes,
yourself,
I will
or
ping
you
you.
can leave the
No,
call.
please send me procedure and
Oh,
browser.
definitely. I will share you the course content. I will share you the class calendar. Let me show you
Okay.
that. I will just show you. I will maintain the class calendar as well. Like whoever joins my training, right? They need to have the clarity when the classes will going to happen and all. Okay, where? Okay, in the desktop, I think in the desktop. Yeah, DevOps class calendar. So if you see, I started a new batch from September, 2nd September. Okay,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
so started from two, like that. If every tool, when Jenkins will start, Jenkins will end. When Terraform will start, when Terraform will end. Okay, when Ansible will start, when Ansible will end. Docker. For everything, I will maintain a calendar.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and real-time projects. I will show 10 plus 10 projects, 10 real-time projects. You need to practice it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, like this, I will provide you the class calendar. You will get clarity. Okay, when the tool will starts, when tool will sends, everything you will get a clarity. Right? If I don't prepare right, obviously I cannot able to teach you well. So I will prepare
Right.
ahead itself. Okay, everything
Okay. Okay.
content is ready. I just need to deliver. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will share you the class calendar, everything, and you need
Okay.
to
Thank
wait
you.
1 week. Okay, after 1 week, new batch will start.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sure.
Bye bye.
Yeah. So yeah, hi Rishabh. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes. Uh, Thank you for taking time to meet with me today. Good afternoon. This is Joseph. I have 2 years of experience, especially in DevOps, and a total of 5 years in AWS. In my current role, I have been extensively working with various tools and technologies that are pivotal to DevOps. For version control, I have hands-on experience with Git and GitHub, ensuring efficient code management and collaboration. For continuous integration and deployment, I leverage Jenkins to streamline and automate the build and deployment process. For configuration management, I utilize Ansible to automate and manage configurations across different environments. For containerization, I work with Docker to build and manage containers, and I use Kubernetes to orchestrate these containers in scalable and efficient manner. My infrastructure is driven by Terraform, allowing me to uh, provision and define infrastructure through code. Uh, and I use Tomcat as an application server. And lastly, I monitor applications using Prometheus and Grafana for proactive issue resolution and performance tuning. Uh, this is I'm excited about the opportunity to bring my expertise to your team and deliver scalable and robust solutions. This is all about me. Thank you.
You can remove, you can skip the Tomcat, Rishabh, okay? Because your introduction is okay, it's perfect, but remove the Tomcat, you can skip that. And yeah, your introduction is perfect. There is one feedback. You can speak a little bit fast, and there is little bit confidence is missing. That's it. Not more than
Yes,
that. You
yes.
are perfect.
Okay,
Yeah, remove the Tomcat from your script and
okay,
highlight only DevOps tools. Oh, highlight only DevOps tools. No need to highlight this web servers and all. It's a part of
okay,
DevOps itself. Interview
okay,
perspective, no need that.
okay. Sure.
So now, like Sunil, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sunil Shikalwadi, a software engineer with 5 years of experience in the industry, and my expertise spans several critical areas of a modern software development and operations. I'm a proficient in a version control using Git and have a hands-on experience with a continuous integration through a Jenkins. In terms of a configuration management, I utilize a Ansible, and my skills also included containerization with the Docker and orchestration tools like Kubernetes. So for monitoring and logging, I rely on a Grafana to ensure a system performance and reliability. Additionally, I leverage infrastructure as a code, tools like Terraform to automate the infrastructure. Yeah, this is all about me.
Super, super. So you are also perfect, Sunil. Just like whatever I given the feedback, Rishabh, same applies to you. On practice, you definitely will perform better. I'm not telling that you are not at all perfect. Yeah, you are compared to other mocks, right? You improved a lot. So if you continue like this, just add some more confidence and tell a little bit fast.
Okay.
And I've updated the project script as well on your request. Just go through it. If they ask
Yeah,
you
I
about
already.
the real-time project, then you can utilize
Yes.
the script and note down some points, right? Change the script according to your requirement. Don't follow the same. Okay,
Yes, sir.
tools or concepts or both are like everything will be remains constant, but you can change some like what quotations, like whatever it may be, if you want to tell about your
Sir, I have
project.
already changed. I will send you the if you just go through that.
Definitely,
If
yeah, yeah, yeah.
everything
Just
clears to me,
share it with me.
yes,
There,
yes.
if there is any mistakes, I will modify it and I will share it with you again.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Anisette, can you please introduce yourself? So anyone watching this video on YouTube, right? If you are looking for training, you can find out my mobile number. You can ping me on WhatsApp for real-time training. And please like this video so that I will get motivation to continue this mock interviews. Anisette, you want to introduce yourself?
Yes.
You can start with your name, okay? Don't. tell thank you for the opportunity and all. You can skip that part.
Okay. My name is Aniseti. I have 5 years of experience. I have good knowledge about DevOps culture, Git, Jenkins, Maven, SonarQube, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform. We
Super,
create
super.
pipelines, continuous integration, and deployment, giving we give security permission with SonarQube. I work with Docker containerization. We are creating Docker image, Docker file. I have good experience with Kubernetes for orchestrating for applications. My proficiency in Kubernetes infrastructure as a code, my use of Terraform, and additional shell scripting, and utilize his automation task, and Prometheus and Grafana. My background means drive and proficiency and any dynamic environment in DevOps. That's it.
Super. I
Thank you.
impressed a lot. That's the reason I given the reaction for you, Anseti. So compared to previous mock, this mock you performed well, but yeah, in the ending part you got stuck. I can completely understand. You will going to write rule in the in, like just start with whatever you have
Yes,
started.
yes. You
Same
you
flow you
give
need to
you also
maintain.
giving the script, but I changes it my
Yes,
realistic way.
super. So you are perfect, but still you need to improve. I'm not telling you are
Yes,
not
yes. I
supporting.
I I I just first time I was try this way. I'm
Yeah,
regularly
okay,
I following only script only, but I'm changing this way. Yesterday I see on the site is I just understand him. Is
okay,
you said to follow him how to in that relation. This way I'm following.
okay. Slowly you will improve. So please update your profiles and start attending interviews. Now you can easily crack the real jobs. Simultaneously attend the mocks, but apply. I know there is no very less calls, but still try. If you get even one opportunity right, you can easily crack that if you
Okay.
perform like this in the interview. Anyway, I have provided you the
Okay.
script for project as well. Go through it, explain the project. Okay, and I am
Yes, yes.
preparing a project on Terraform. Okay, definitely by this weekend I will going to show you the Terraform project as well. Okay, you can
Okay.
explain regarding Terraform as well. So I've shown you the project on DevOps, but infrastructure I missed it. But yeah, sorry, I'm just making you wait. But I'm doing some troubleshooting. I'm getting some issues and all. So I'm working on that. So if it is passed right, then only I can able to show you. Shall we start the mock?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we can start.
Major focus will be on Ansible itself. Yesterday we have started Reserve Ansible. This is the continuation of Ansible for that. Okay. How do you manage dynamic inventories in Ansible? There is an inventory file in Ansible. There is a static and dynamic inventories. So I'm asking about dynamic inventories. So if you don't know that, utilize the Google. Now if you see multiple people are joining, so there are 4 people are joining. Like for suppose if Rani is answering my question, remaining people you should not sit idle. You can Google it right in the backend and you can try the answer. Anyone want to Google manage dynamic inventories? How do you manage? Same Google it. You will get some points. Just read it out. Don't read it. Just understand what it is. Then after tell me. I don't want definitions. This is the real time interview. So I want an explanation because I'm a kid. Treat me as a kid. How you will explain a kid? Same like that you need to explain.
It is an eliminated manual updates and run the latest infrastructure data.
Yes, yes, you are almost right, answered. So you are tried it. I'm happy for that. It's okay. Participation is important. So how can you improve an Ansible performance? Simple question. You are working on Ansible. You have experience in Ansible, but I'm asking you how you will improve the Ansible performance. I'm executing Ansible playbook. Okay, using command line, but I want a improved performance in execution of playbook. So how what you will follow? I know this is a very difficult question, but this is one of the important and interview question. Real time, not a basic question.
So
E-
to
Even you can replace with Kubernetes as well. Okay. Now we are talking on Ansible. Every tool they will ask. Yeah, someone is trying to answer. You can try.
to
Yeah,
improve.
identify slow task with a callback plugins. Identify some task plugins.
Okay, Sunil.
Yeah, enable parallelism with the folks.
Super,
Uh,
super, super. You are right.
so and use fact caching and disable unnecessary fact gathering. Use a sync
Yes.
and a poll for a long running tasks.
Super.
So minimize the playbook task executions. Reduce the SSH connection overhead. Use the pipelines. So these
Oh,
are all we can.
yeah, definitely. You said whatever you said. You are right. But I will explain you what is that forks and all once we complete this total questions. Okay. And I will show you the real time example as well. And once this complete the mock, right, you just go through it and you can in the real time interview if they ask, you can like how do you troubleshoot playbooks? My playbook got failed. I want to see the error. Like how you will troubleshoot that? I want that. Even if it will apply for Kubernetes, like every tool.
Yeah. Uh, when it when it
Yeah,
comes to the playbook troubleshoot, you need to identify the root cause of the issue, such as a failed task, incorrect outputs, or unexpected behavior. So enable a variable outputs.
super. Yes, yes, you're right.
So check the playbook syntax.
Super. Yes,
So we can check slash slash check mod dry run, which is a dry run.
yes, yes, yes. You are right.
To analyze the failed tasks.
Yes. Or you can use minus v, right? Ansible playbook
Yeah.
minus v. Then you will
Yes.
get the verbose output.
Yes. Yes.
So whatever you said, right? Perfect. You are right. What are facts in Ansible and how are they used? How would you handle errors in Ansible? How do you configure Ansible to manage Windows machine? So by default, Ansible master doesn't support Windows, but nodes you can add as a Windows. But how you will configure that to add a node? How would you automate a multi-tier application deployment using Ansible?
We use on automation with multi servers.
Okay, we can utilize the roles, right? Ansible
Yes,
roles.
yes, yes. Ansible roles. We can give a permission with automation, multiple role.
Okay. How do you backup configuration file before modifying them? So I want like how you will back up a file using while writing a playbook. So anyone joined from laptop, can you able to write a Ansible playbook for me to install Apache? A simple Ansible playbook to install Apache. It's up to you. If you are interested, you can share your screen and you can write a say basic Ansible playbook to install an Apache.
So using the copy model to make the back.
Super, you are right. We can copy the file using a copy module. You are right. I will show you that. Okay, example I will show. How do you use Ansible for patch management? So what are the manual steps you are using? We can convert it into Ansible playbook like that. We can able to do in multiple servers. So what would you do if an Ansible task fails in the middle of playbook execution? So yeah, that's it. Shall we check the answers for all the questions?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Just a moment. Let me share this mock day 48, right? Okay. So how do you manage dynamic inventories? So dynamic inventory scripts allows fetching host from cloud providers. So use AWS underscore EC2 plugin for dynamic inventory in AWS. Okay, if it is related to AWS, you can use AWS EC2 plugin. How can you improve Ansible performance? So by using forks to run tasks in parallel using strategy free and limiting host patterns. I know you will not understand, but see here. Imagine you are deploying updates to 100 servers. By default, Ansible might handle them one at a time. So if you set forks 10, it will update 10 servers simultaneously, reducing the total time from hours to minutes. Getting? Whenever you execute playbook, if you kept forks 10, right, it will go 10 one by, like, first it will complete task for 10, then after it will go for next 10, then after next 10, then after next 10. So that's the use of forks. So strategy free. Suppose you have a playbook that configures a web server and database server with the default strategy. So Ansible waits for one task to complete before starting the next. That's it, right? It will go step by step. If one task is completed, it will go to next task. Using strategy free allows both configuration to run at the same time, speeding up the deployment. Nothing but all tasks at a time. If you want to perform, you can use strategy free. Limiting host patterns. If you only need to update your application on a subset of servers, so you need to remove the unnecessary IP addresses from your inventory files. That's what it is telling. So you can specify those hosts in your inventory. This avoid running tasks on all servers, saving time and resources. Okay. So how do you troubleshoot playbook? Use -v, -vv or -vv for increasing verbosity during execution. So what are facts in Ansible? So facts will fetch the information, right? So facts are automatically collected system variables. If you want to get any information, depending upon that, you can get the information. You can keep the conditions and all. So if you see, if I want to get the distribution of my local host, definitely you can use Ansible underscore fact and distribution. It will just give me the distribution. Distribution is nothing but, is it Debian or is it a Red Hat? So whatever it may be, it will display a message. How would you handle errors in Ansible? You can use ignore errors. Okay, ignore errors as yes. Then it will just ignore that particular error. Or you can keep the conditions if it failed when, to handle errors gracefully. Like that, it is a conditions you can maintain in your playbook. So how do you configure Ansible to manage Windows machines? So by using WinRM for communicating and setting for inventory file. This is the sample file. Okay, this is the Windows 1 Ansible underscore host equal to IP address. Ansible username is admin, password is password, and connection will be WinRM. Like this, you can able to define. You can group that into a one group. How would you automate a multi-tier application deployment using Ansible? So use roles to separate tasks for each tier, database, application, web. I told you, right? How do you backup a configuration file before modifying them? So using copy module, you can copy that, right? How would you use Ansible for patch management? So create playbook to check and install updates. That's what I said, right? How what would do, like what you do if an Ansible task fails in the middle of playbook execution? Use serial to limit the number of hosts a playbook runs on simultaneously, reducing failure impact. Oh, okay, nothing but you need to reduce your execution of servers. So just you can reduce the IP addresses in your. Then after slowly you can add some more IPs. Then after you can troubleshoot using verbose. So these are the real-time scripts. Okay, deploy Nginx on multiple servers. Right, this is the simple Ansible playbook. If you want to restart the application, this is the simple Ansible playbook. If you want to backup, if you see, before I'm just taking the backup of app dot into app dot back, then after I will replace the file. So before editing the original file, I'm just taking the backup. So Windows Server patch and database backup automation. If you want to do the automatic backup of MySQL database, you can do this using this Ansible playbook. Okay, so this mock interview will continue. Still, if you see, I've already prepared 14 and 50, right? All mocks are already prepared. Yesterday, right? Not yesterday, I think on Sunday, I sit, I sat, and yesterday also I worked a lot to work on this interview questions. All interview questions are ready. Okay, that's it.
Yes.
I will stop the recording.